Hello dear students. Today we will begin with a new topic, digestion and the role of microbes. Now we will talk about the essential key points of this chapter. Number A. The teeth help to bite and chew food. Digestive system breaks down the food to release nutrients that provide energy. Number C. Microorganism. Number D. Good eating habits. Let us analyze the points. Sets of teeth. Teeth is one of the important part of our mouth because teeth help us to chew our food well. Now let us go back to that stage of life when we were born. When we were small children, we did not have any teeth. We only used to drink milk, water, liquid and pulpy food like dal, soup, rice, smashed with milk, fruit juice, etc. As we grew up and came to the age of 6 months, we developed our first small set of teeth. Our teeth came up gradually one after another. So, this first set of teeth is known as temporary or deciduous teeth, and we also known as milk teeth. This teeth starts developing from 6 months of our age up to 3 years of our age. By 3 years, we have a set of about 20 teeth. Now, the question is, why do we call it to be temporary set of teeth? The reason is simple. Because at the age of 7, we lose our temporary set of teeth. That means our teeth falls out one by one and new set of teeth appears. We have our permanent set of teeth, and this permanent set of teeth remains for the rest of our life until and unless we grow very old, or our teeth may fall out early if we do not take proper care right from the early age. An adult person usually have 32 permanent teeth. Types of teeth. Students, we have 4 types of teeth. Number 1, incisors. Number 2, canines. Number 3, premolars. Number 4, molars. In the first set, we can see the incisors. Incisors are flat and have a sharp edge. The function of these teeth is to cut and bite the food. Example, we bite biscuit and fruit. Number 2, canines. Canines are sharp and pointed teeth. The function is to tear off the food. Example, we tear off meat or chapati when we eat our food. Premolars. Premolars are broad in shape and the function is to crush the food. Lastly, the molars. These are big, flat and have a broad upper surface, and the function of molars is to chew and grind the food. Parts of a tooth. Students, please see the diagram properly. can observe the white part of the tooth. This part of the tooth is called crown. What is crown? The crown is the part of the tooth that can be seen above the gum. Root, the part of the tooth that is present inside the gum, is called the root. Next we have layers of a tooth. Observe the diagram carefully. A tooth is made up of following three main layers. First, the enamel, that is the hardest part of the tooth. It is the outermost layer of the tooth and it is generally white, and the enamel is the hardest part of the tooth. Next is the dentine. It is the layer below the enamel. It is generally yellow in color. Then the next comes up the pulp. Pulp is the central layer of the tooth and it is very soft and contains nerves and blood vessels. Care of teeth. Have you ever thought what would happen if you do not clean your teeth after eating sweets? Right, your tooth may decay. So we should take proper care of our teeth. Brush our teeth at least twice a day. Once after getting out of bed and once before going to bed. Rinse our mouth well after meals. Floss your teeth under adult supervision to clean the space between the teeth. Floss is a kind of a thin thread that is used to clean the space between the teeth. Avoid having too many sweets and fizzy drink. Eating fruits is healthy for gums and also include milk and milk products in your diet for healthy teeth. Visit your dentist regularly. Digestive system. Now let us discuss about digestive system. First, let us understand what is digestion. The process by which food is broken down into a simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by our body is called digestion. Many organs together work to help in the process of digestion. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small and large intestine, and anus are the main organs of the digestive system. Let us learn about them. Organs of digestive system. Number A, mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth help to break down and chew food. The chewed food then mixes with a liquid called saliva. Saliva is a watery fluid which is secreted from salivary gland of our mouth. This saliva helps us to make the chewed food pulpy, which makes the food softer and easier to swallow. The tongue pushes the soft chewed food inside the food pipe. Number B, food pipe. The food pipe is also known as esophagus. Food pipe passes the food from the mouth to the stomach. Number C, stomach. Inside the stomach, the food is broken down further into smaller pieces by churning and with the help of chemicals called digestive juice. Churning here means a strong spinning movement, means it gets digested and the food breaks down into much more simpler form. Number D. Small intestine. Small intestine from the mouth, from the stomach, the food passes in the small intestine. It is a long and a hollow tube-like structure. The liver and the pancreas produce digestive juices that help in the digestion of food. Here, this digestive juice is also known as bile. Digestion is completed in the small intestine and the useful nutrients from the food are absorbed into blood. Blood then carries these nutrients to the different part of the body. Number E. Large intestine. From the small intestine, the undigested food passes into the large intestine. The large intestine is shorter but wider, tube-like structure which collects the indigestible food from the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water from the undigested food and form a waste product called feces. Lastly, number 6, anus. Anus, over here the feces are removed from the body through the anus. Good eating habits. In order to remain healthy and free from diseases, we must follow some good eating habits as listed below. Wash your hands properly both before and after eating food. Always eat from a clean plate. Eat a balanced diet. Avoid consuming junk food. Avoid eating uncovered food or the food sold at the roadside stalls. Always chew the food slowly and properly before swallowing. Rinsing your mouth properly after having meals. Microorganism. Microorganisms are tiny living organisms that are found everywhere. These organisms are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. They can be seen only through a microscope. There are 4 types of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses. Some microorganisms are useful to human beings where some are harmful. Now let us discuss about the 2 types of microorganism in the next slides. Useful microorganism. Number A. Streptococcus thermophilus is a scientific name of a bacilli which help to form curd and cheese. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the scientific name of yeast which help to form bread. Lactobacillus acidophilus is also a kind of bacilli which helps in digestion. Number D and E, molds and fungi help to decompose the dead remains of plants and animals. Harmful microorganism. Some microorganisms can cause diseases. The disease-causing microorganisms are called germs. Some of the diseases caused by the microorganisms are: number A, Salmonella typhi, Vibrio cholerae, fungi, protozoa, virus. Typhoid and cholera are caused by these. Ringworm and athlete foot are caused by fungi. Food poisonous and malaria are caused by protozoa. Common cold and chicken pox are caused by viruses. Now let us recap the whole lesson once again. First we have studied about the teeth, then we have studied about the sets of teeth, types of teeth, layer of teeth. Fourthly, we have studied about the digestive system, which includes the mouth, food pipe and the stomach, small intestine, large intestine and finally anus. And finally, we have studied about microorganisms and about the harmful and the useful microorganism. So, we end our lesson here. Students, please complete the assignment given here in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.